Yesterday the results came and most of my students have done really well. They've scored 65, 70, 75 in paper 60. So there's a very short announcement of the paper 60 batch that I'm handling here. It's a fast track super rocket revision batch, right? Where I'll be giving you tips and the basics of each of those laws. So basically it's going to be on 24th, 25th and 26th March, right? So every day. So 24th is going to start from 10 a.m. It will go up till around 6, 7 p.m. And the cost of this batch would be, the fees for you would be 1,499 rupees. Sir, will material be included? No, because since it's paper 60, you may be accustomed to some other material. But if you want my material, that if you check on my website, and everywhere it is sold at, 2199 rupees. But only for the students of NK Academy who are going to attend my classes, I am going to give this at a very, very reasonable rate of 599. It's a supremely discounted rate, 599. What books will be there, sir? 2 books, buddies. So both the books will contain all, the first, the indexing, where I'll tell you how to make the index. This will help you on the day of the examination. It will have all the bare acts of all the 6 chapters. It will have the simplified provisions of the law. It will have a few charts. It will have all the previous years case studies and question papers, MTP, RTP, whatever it is, case laws, case studies, everything. So it is these 2 books, if you carry, along with, of course, the institute material, new one which they have released, if you carry it in the exam, more than sufficient. Everything is covered here. In fact, in November exam, couple of questions were asked copy paste from my material itself, because it is based on the institute material anyway. All right. So this would be very, very helpful to you, in my opinion. So the plan is very simple. Day 1 we'll be doing in depth of IBC, because IBC comes for almost 30-35 marks. Day 2 will be PMLA and some case studies we will be doing. And day 3 will be giving you the basics of Competition Act, RERA and Benami. Now, sir, what about FEMA? So I always believe in, rather than doing, something in everything, I want to do majority portions in, everything. So what I'm going to do, since there is a lack of time for FEMA, do not worry, guys. In the same fees itself, 1,499, we will not charge anything extra. I will be giving you 4 hours of basics of FEMA, around 3.5, 4 hours of basics via private video. So this is only available to the students of NK Academy. It's not a video available online on my YouTube channel. This is a separate YouTube private link only to the students of NK Academy. Second, 2 to 3 hours of recorded content. I will be doing a recording in April. This is with respect to all the new provisions of ECB, etc. It's going to happen April 1st or 2nd week, that I will record for all my students. That same link will be sent to NK Academy students as well. Again, that is like a private video, only to my students will be given. Then I have recorded 10 hours of case studies, how to face the case studies, how to prepare, how to analyze, and how to solve. These case studies, private links also will be sent to you. So apart from the 3 days of classes, which are roughly around 8 hours each, so around 20-24 hours, apart from that, almost 15 hours of classes you'll be getting. So all these around 45 hours of classes at the rate of 1,499, plus if you want books, 599. This is the deal. Okay. So if you are interested in this, already it is full, only few more seats are left. If you are interested, kindly contact NK Academy at 912-1587-852. So they are a bunch of young people, and they are putting a lot of efforts to bring some of the best faculty here in Guntur. They have other subjects as well. You can check it out. So I would like you to enroll for this batch. All right, guys. On that note, take care. See you. Bye.